These blue wings aren't paint. That's right. They're made of light.
The blue morpho begins life as a tiny egg hidden under a leaf. When it hatches, the caterpillar eats the shell for its first meal.
Sharp hairs help protect it from hungry predators.
It grows bigger by eating leaves day and night. When it's ready, it forms a chrysalis and waits.
Inside, a stunning butterfly is taking shape.
After feeding, it will lay eggs, trumel, and the cycle begins again.